Hey guys, this is Andrew again with another video on how to use your Grandstream phone with the 3CX system. So today I'm going to show you how to just check your voicemail. You can see up here in the top right of your Grandstream that there is this flashing envelope icon. That means that you have a voicemail that needs checking. So to mirror that, we're just going to press this envelope button here.
Please enter personal identification number, then press pound.
So this is just asking for your PIN. You should have this in an email from when we set you up. I recommend you save that email.
You have one new message. Press star to play. Press 9 for options to exit.
And that's how you check a voicemail on a Grandstream phone. I hope this video has been helpful. If you guys have any questions, as always, please give us a call at 719-310-0880 or shoot us an email at helpdesk@computercats.net. Again, that is helpdesk@computercats.net. Thanks. Have a great day.
Press 0 for next message. Press 1 for previous message. Press 2 to repeat current message. Press 3 to delete current message. Press 4 to delete message. Press star to cancel. Message deleted.
All right, and
End of
that's
messages.
it.